For an auto mechanic working from home, whether on call operating out of a converted garage, or simply engaging in DIY car repairs, there is a set of essential tools that will cover the majority of automotive tasks. Following is a list of must-have tools along with a brief description of their use. 1. Socket set. Socket sets with various sizes, in both metric and SAE measourements, are crucial for removing and fastening nuts and bolts. A set with a ratchet handle will make work faster and more efficient. 2. Wrench set. Wrenches, both combination wrenches and adjustable wrenches, are used for turning nuts and bolts when a socket cannot fit. 3. Screwdriver set. Various screwdrivers, including flathead and Phillips head in multiple sizes, are essential for unscrewing different types of screws found in vehicles. 4. Pliers set. Pliers are used for gripping, twisting, and cutting wires. A set typically includes regular pliers, needle nose pliers, and wire cutters. 5. Hammer and mallet. A regular hammer is used for general purpose striking, while a rubber mallet is used for applying force without damaging surfaces. 6. Torque wrench. This tool is used to apply a specific torque to a bolt or nut, ensuring it is neither too tight nor too loose. 7. Jack and jack stands. A hydraulic floor. Jack lifts the car, and jack stands are used to securely support it while you're working underneath. 8. Work light headlamp. Good lighting is essential for visibility in dark areas of the car or when working at night. 9. Multimeter. Used for electrical diagnostics such as checking voltage, current, and resistance in circuits. 10. Code reader OBD2 scanner. This device is plugged into the car's onboard diagnostics port to read diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, from the vehicle's computer. 11. Battery charger and tester. These are used for maintaining the vehicle's battery charge and testing the battery's health and charging system performance. 12. Oil drain pan and funnel. Necessary for performing oil changes and other fluid exchanges while minimizing spills. 13. Vice grips. Locking pliers can grip parts securely, especially when extra force is needed or when the original shape has been rounded off. 14. Breaker bar. A long-handled breaker bar gives extra leverage to loosen tight nuts and bolts. 15. Impact wrench. Electric or pneumatic, this tool greatly speeds up the process of removing and tightening fasteners. 16. Creeper. A low-profile rolling bed that allows you to slide under the car comfortably for undercarriage inspection and work. 17. Air compressor with air tools set. An air compressor can power a variety of air tools such as impact wrenches, grinders, and ratchets, which can greatly speed up many tasks. 18. Fender covers. These protect the vehicle's bodywork while you're leaning over the engine bay. 19. Personal protective equipment is essential for safety. Gloves protect your hands and safety glasses protect your eyes from debris. 20. Diagnostic and service manuals. Having access to the vehicle's service manual or a comprehensive repair guide is invaluable for understanding the specifics of each vehicle you work on. This covers the essentials that would enable a home mechanic to perform a wide range of repairs and maintenance tasks. Depending on the specific services offered or types of vehicles worked on, additional specialized tools may be required. Follow us for additional tools for more advanced auto repairs.